Can everyone hear me? Hello.
Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So I request everyone now to mute their audios. And जिसको भी अगर कुछ आगे doubts होगा, कुछ queries होगी, so they can raise their hands or they can just message the same in the chat box. So should we start? Okay. So hello everyone, good evening. This is Prerna here from INIFD Raipur. So आज हम एक मीटिंग कर रहे हैं स्टूडेंट्स अचीवर्स मीट. बेसिकली ये मीटिंग हम आप लोगों के लिए रखे हैं जिसपे हमारे जो स्टूडेंट्स हैं वो अपने एक्सपीरियंसेस शेयर करेंगे आपके साथ. उनको जो प्लेटफॉर्म हमने प्रोवाइड किया है जैसे लैक्मे फैशन वीक, लंदन फैशन वीक, न्यूयॉर्क फैशन वीक, सो बेसिकली वहाँ के एक्सपीरियंस शेयर करने वाले हैं आप लोगों के साथ. आप लोग सर लोग बहुत एक्साइटेड थे ना कि मैम एक्चुअली वहाँ पे क्या होता है, कैसे होता है, वहाँ पे जाके कैसे क्या प्रोसेसिंग होती है. सो दिस गाइज विल शेयर एवरी experience with you and yeah, basically and that. So for that further I proceed and hand over this meeting to Miss Nikita Agrawal, our interior designing student. She's of second year. Over to you, Nikita.
Hi guys, good afternoon everyone. I hope you all are doing fine in your lockdown and quarantine period. So talking about INIFD, you would like to know my experiences here. So before we begin with our experiences, I would introduce myself. My name is Nikita Agrawal. I'm currently in second year of, I'm doing BSc in interior designing. So these 2 years have been great and I've learned so many things, and especially I've achieved here so many things. I was awarded Ambassador of the Year in the INTFest, which is basically interior designing competition, and our college represented there, and we have won many awards there. So yeah, it was a great learning. Apart from that, I have been a part in implementation team of Lakme Fashion Week and also part of Lakme Fashion Week Launchpad. INFD Launchpad is basically interior designing and fashion designing competition in which you showcase your design and further you are selected for Lakme Fashion Week. So today I'll be giving gist on Lakme Fashion Week implementation team. So here's a small presentation so that you can see and understand better. I hope you all are able to see.
You can thumbs up, everyone. Yeah.
Okay. So this is a basic introduction about me, what I already gave you. So coming directly to the implementation team. So how was my experience there and what was the selection procedure of Lakme Fashion Week implementation team? So the basic 3 criteria how you're selected for the implementation team is first you have a selection by faculties, which is on the basis of attendance, submission, and your behavior. So according to that, I was selected by the faculties. Then I was I went to the second round, which is of telephonic interview. So in telephonic interview, I was given I had a round with INFD Corporate, which is in Chandigarh, and they asked me questions about Lakme Fashion Week, what all information do I know about them, and the fluency, etc. things they asked me. And after 1 week, the results came, and I was given a category in which I'll be working there, or that category might change. Okay, so I'll be telling now about Lakme Fashion Week Summer Resort. I went in 2019. So basically there are 2 seasons, that is summer resort and winter resort. So summer resort happens in Geo Garden, Mumbai. So IMG Reliance is basically a company that organizes Lakme Fashion Week twice a year, and you need to work under them. So I worked under IMG Reliance Head, and they provided me with categories in which I'll be working. So I worked with food and beverages department, and apart from that, for 2 days I worked under runway department also. So you get to meet all those celebrities, and you get to see all those things which are totally new to you. So I would like to clear one air that a lot of people think that Lakme Fashion Week is only meant for fashion designing students, and interior designing students have no role to play there. But I would like to say that interior designing students have a great role to play there, because you get to see a lot of set designings, installations, and setups that are done there. Which is very new to you, and you get to learn so many things there. You see, after every 45-minute set of fashion show, each set is changed into a new concept according to a fashion designer. So yeah, it was a great experience. I learned so many things. So here are some pictures you're seeing on the screen. So here is LFW logo, which is designed and changed according to each season. And on the right, top right, you see Gauri and Nanika. That is a fashion show of designers, obviously Gauri and Nanika. And you see neon logos there. So it was designed according to them. And then you see on bottom left, it's a crew member, and was from all over the INFD across India. Then you have these pictures. These are the installations by each brand. So I clicked some of the pictures in front of these installations, and the experience was very nice and great. I don't think you will get such experience anywhere else, because INFD is such a medium that takes you to Lakme Fashion Week. And since you don't get Lakme Fashion Week passes very easily, and you cannot also buy them, I think. So since INFD is the educational partner of Lakme Fashion Week, it provides a platform for you to be a part of Lakme Fashion Week. You can witness it, you can be a part of implementation team, or you can go there as a designer through INFD Launchpad. So that was it. I hope it is clear for you. And if you have any questions, you can ask me. Or you can just write it in the comments.
It was really great to listen you, Nikita. I hope सबको समझ आया होगा basically कि यहाँ INFD implementation team पे क्या होता है.
Yeah, ma'am, we have one question from Ayushman Ahuja. So he's asking that did I do all these things in my first year? Yeah, I did all these things in my first year. At the end of my first year, Summer Resort 2019, and it was new for me everything, because I was in first year. So it was great. Yeah, and it's a very different experience, actually. You get to see a lot of things there, and it doesn't matter you be in first year or second year. That Lakme experience is totally different. If you have any other questions, you can ask in comment also. And then I would like to thank all my directors, sir, and Arun sir, for being here, and who have guided me throughout this 2-year journey.
It was really great listening to you, Nikita. And I hope कि सबको implementation team क्या होता है, basically क्या platform provide करता है student को, क्या exposure दिखता है, आप सबको समझ आया होगा slightly. And for the further process and for further listening, I invite Isha Jindal. Isha, she's an interior designing student of second year as well. So over to you, Isha.
Hello, ma'am. Hello, everyone. I hope you all are fine. Good evening, sir. Arun, sir. Okay, just a brief introduction about me. I am a second year student, and most of you might, it's possible कि इंटीरियर डिजाइनिंग एज अ करियर चूज करने से पहले आप लोग कोई और फील्ड से होंगे या कुछ. मैं भी फ्रैंकली दूसरी फील्ड में थी पहले. आई वाज अ सीए स्टूडेंट. आई डिड आईपीसीसी. फिर आई चोज इंटीरियर डिजाइनिंग. आफ्टर कमिंग टू इंटीरियर डिजाइनिंग I opened up to many fields. Like I got runner-up award in Meraki 2019 for my dream project. I got shortlisted for the design festival 2019. My design got shortlisted, and I'm basically here to talk about that only, which is INIF Launchpad. Uh, okay, so I'll just start with everything. First of all, I'm really highly privileged, and I'm very much pleased that all our faculty members and teachers and directors, sirs, they all have been very supportive throughout everything. You even you will also experience it once that वो आपके साथ आपको बहुत support भी करते हैं, and no matter what you choose, they'll stand with you. What I have experienced in this field as an interior designer, that yes, theoretical knowledge is important, but your creativity, your instinct is even more important. What you create will truly determine where you stand in this field. Last year, I got an opportunity to represent my college at INET Launchpad, which is a stepping stone to the India's biggest fashion week, that I should say, that's Lakme Fashion Week. Students with best of their designs at INET Launchpad are selected to showcase their designs at Lakme Fashion Week. INET Launchpad is a completely, is an entire package, I should say. You can meet the best persons of your field. You can interact with them, and you can also showcase your design. That you're given a platform where you can showcase your designs to all the well, they are, they are really they have achieved so much in the field, and representing your designs in front of them is a great achievement. I was really blessed with this opportunity. My experience with INIF Launchpad had been one of the greatest experience of my entire learning journey. It is on 3 stages. In the first stage, we were asked to design a set based on a theme. For Design Festival 2019, our theme was that we were asked to design a set regarding based on using sustainable materials, I should say. So I designed my set. I presented my design. Nikita ma'am, director sir, and other faculty member were very helpful. जो भी हमें नहीं आता था, या जैसे we had never designed a set, so they arranged a meeting with one of the set designers in Raipur so that he can guide us through it. And what happened in this कि जो भी इस stage से clear होता, like इसके बाद हम लोग round 2 में जाते हैं, and जो भी round 2 जो हमारा भुवनेश्वर में held हुआ था, वहाँ ऐसा होता है कि जो भी उस राउंड को क्लियर करता है वो नीरज गाबा सर को एक्चुअली लैक्मे फैशन वीक में असिस्ट करता है, जिसके बारे में आपको निकिता ने बताया पूरा. उसमें हमारा क्या था, लाइक आई वेंट टू भुवनेश्वर में पार्टिसिपेंट्स फ्रॉम ऑल ओवर द जोन, जो भी जोन हमारी सिटीज में फॉल करते हैं, वो सब वहाँ आए थे, एंड उन्होंने अपने डिजाइन प्रेजेंट किए थे पैनल जजेस के सामने. For our panel of judges, it was Shifali Vasudev ma'am, who is the editor of Voice of Fashion, Ritu Kochar ma'am, who is corporate director INEP, Neeraj Gaba sir, TV and OTT personality, Payal Pratap Singh, she is a renowned fashion designer, and Anika Kochar ma'am, who is leading interior designer, I should say, and I was really very grateful. Before the round start, there is a panel discussion that's held, and if students have any queries regarding anything or field related, we can ask directly to them. I presented my design in front of them, I should say, and it was really very much liked and appreciated. Neeraj Gahwar sir especially applauded me because I was the only one who worked out through all the intricacies and of the costing of the set that I worked on. And he also said that I thought and I worked like a thorough professional, and I was really, really grateful to those comments. It's been a great journey all over. If you all say, I'll just show you a few photos of my experience. Just a second. Uh, huh. And this is the introduction I gave you all. These are few of the photos. In this photo, I am here with I was here presenting commenting on my. I was getting comments on my design. He's Neeraj Gaba sir. Then this is the ceiling design of my. That was the ceiling design of my set that I designed. This photo represented all our fashion and interior designing students that we all went. Those who got selected there. These are few other pics. Uh, here. They are all the participants that those were there from that zone. These are the panel of judges. Where this was the time जब वो discussion चल रहा था panel judges के सामने. यहाँ I was presenting. पीछे एक बहुत बड़ी screen होती है. You can see on my background also. बहुत बड़ी screen होती है जिसमें हमारा design रहता है. And we just discuss this and we present our designs वहाँ पे. She's Anika Kocha ma'am. She's a leading designer and I really love her for her designs. Okay. There are a few more pictures. Our guest design, our we should say, guest celebrity was Sonali ma'am. You can see here also in the banner. After that, we were we were not selected, but we got an invite to Lakme Fashion Week. As Nikita said, that it's not easy to get. We went there. There are shows, and these are few pictures from there. If you guys have any query, you can ask me. Okay, who is my
Sure,
idol?
there is a question.
Yeah, my ideal and inspiration. I can't say actually. It's more basically ki whoever designs, they take it as an inspiration from something. तो सबका एक individual रहता है. When I went there, वहाँ पे भी like Anika ma'am का if I take example जिसको मैंने introduce कर दिया है already. उनका था कि उनको reflections पे बहुत पसंद था and मेरा था कि my theme of my set was illusions and I really love playing with those things and everything. तो जो भी होता है ना ऐसे कोई आइडल नहीं है बट हाँ उनके डिजाइन उनके जो थॉट प्रोसेस होते हैं वो ज्यादा अफेक्ट करते हैं वो ज्यादा इंस्पायरिंग होते हैं तो एक आइडल बोलना won't be justice to it I guess. Any further questions if anyone has?
So,
You can ask if
ma'am, how many efforts you did to reach this platform?
Actually as I told starting में कि आप क्या क्रिएट करते हो आपका क्या थॉट प्रोसेस है आप कैसे वर्क करते हो वो ज्यादा आपकी स्टैंडिंग डिटरमाइन करता है डिजाइन्स दिए थे हमने क्लास में मे बी उन्हें मेरा कंसेप्ट बेटर लगा होगा क्योंकि मेरे डिजाइन में जो मुझे लगता है कि मैंने 2-3 जो मैंने अपने लेआउट्स प्रेजेंट किए थे मैंने कुछ उसमें शायद मैंने कुछ इनोवेशन शो किया था तो शायद उनको वो इनोवेशन मेरा अच्छा लगा हो क्योंकि अगर कोई आप एक ही चीज को लेके चलते हो दैट्स नॉट आप क्रिएट क्या करते हो व्हाट यू इनोवेट दैट इज रियली इम्पोर्टेंट आप एक ही चीज में स्टिक हो जाओगे आप एक ही चीज को लेके चलोगे तो वो एक एक करके फिर आउटडेटेड हो जाती है तो इनोवेशन इज इम्पोर्टेंट एंड ऐसा होता है ना कि आप अपने आसपास जो भी देख लो यू विल गेट एन इंस्पिरेशन एंड यू कैन जस्ट स्टार्ट डिजाइनिंग विद एनीथिंग whether it is fashion designing or whether it is interior designing it's really very necessary कि आप अपने सराउंडिंग में अपने एनवायरनमेंट में किसी ना किसी चीज को आप किसी भी चीज को ग्रास्प करके आप थिंक कर सकते हो I am working in a professional field तो I can more relate to it कि हाँ अब मेरे को समझ आता है कि टीचर जो समझाते थे वो क्या होता था. Okay, we have another question. Are you clear भूमिका जो भी मैंने आपको समझाया is your query solved? Okay, so next
Yeah,
minute.
ma'am, yeah.
Yeah, frankly, Sneha, हमारी टीचिंग फैकल्टीज, मतलब कई जगह ऐसा होता है कि स्टूडेंट्स फियर कि वो अपने टीचिंग फैकल्टीज को रीच कर सकते हैं नहीं कर सकते, बट हमारे यहाँ हमने ये चीज देखी कि टीचर्स हमेशा एक फ्रैंक रहे हैं। हम टीचर्स के साथ कोई भी प्रॉब्लम होती है तो हम टीचर्स को डायरेक्ट कंसल्ट कर सकते हैं, एंड दे हैव गिवन अस दैट फ्रीडम कि हम चूज करें, एंड वो हमारे साथ रहते हैं, बी इट इंटर्नशिप, बी इट एनी प्रोजेक्ट, बी इट लैक्मे फैशन वीक और आईनेब लॉन्च पैड। एज आई टोल्ड कि हमें सेट डिजाइनिंग का नहीं था, हमने अभी तक पढ़ा नहीं था। हमारा लाइटिंग को भी जैसे बहुत एक मेजर प्रोस्पेक्ट रहता है जो कॉस्टिंग में डिटरमाइन करता है, हमारा कुछ भी नहीं था। सर ने हमारे लिए एक मीटिंग अरेंज की फॉर वन ऑफ द बिगेस्ट सेट डिजाइनर्स इन रायपुर। उन्होंने उनके साथ मीटिंग की, उन्होंने हमें पूरा एक्सप्लेन किया कि हाउ सेट डिजाइनिंग वर्क, हाउ कॉस्टिंग इज डन, एंड आई शुड से कि कॉस्टिंग के कारण ही मुझे सबसे ज्यादा नीरज गाबर सर ने अपलॉड किया था, मैंने वो चीज आपको बताई थी। सो यस, टीचर्स, फैकल्टी मेंबर्स, डायरेक्टर सर, they are not partial to the students। बाकी वो आप एक्सपीरियंसेस के साथ आपको ज्यादा बेटर समझ आएगा, बट as far as it's been 2 years I have not seen this thing। Anyone else?
Yeah, I guess it's done. And everyone, anyone, do you have any more queries to ask with Isha? You can just raise your hand or comment in the chat box.
Yeah, if anyone has any query।
Yeah, I guess सबकी queries अभी clear हो गई है Isha. So thank you so much Isha for sharing your experience. It was really great listening to you too. Yeah, moving further, I would like to invite our fashion designing students. We have 2 more students with us, Achiever students, who has explored themselves and who had experience of Lakme Fashion Week and New York Fashion Week especially. So I would now hand over this meeting to Miss Manisha Agrawal. She's a student of fashion design and currently pursuing a super specialization MSc course from our institute. So over to you, Manisha.
1 second, I would like to.
Yeah, just a second, Manisha. We have a doubt.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Sure.
Pooja. Say Pooja.
मैम जैसे कि आपने ये कहा कि जैसे ये अपॉर्चुनिटीज मिलती हैं स्टूडेंट्स को, तो डिप्लोमा कोर्सेज और डिग्री कोर्सेज में कुछ इसका अफेक्ट, आई मीन क्या डिफरेंस है, कैन यू टेल?
Anisha, you're
Can I
muted.
answer this question?
Sure, Isha.
Live example is here. Nikita is a degree student and I am a diploma student. I first applied for 1-year program, foundation program, then I got myself extended to 2-year diploma. इससे कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता है, अपॉर्चुनिटी सबके लिए इक्वल आती है। कोई भी इवेंट होगा, दिल आज की ये अपॉर्चुनिटी आई है, एंड देन जो भी उस अपॉर्चुनिटी को ग्रास्प करके उसमें कर लेगा, दे गो फर्दर विद द फील्ड। तो डिप्लोमा या डिग्री का एज सच कोई डिफरेंस नहीं होता इसमें।
ओके, थैंक यू।
Basically, I would like to tell everyone that your creativity matters. आपको हर कोई आपको same knowledge, आपको same platform provide करेगा, सबके लिए same रहेगा, but what matters is your creativity. आप कितने creative हो इस field पे आके, आप creativity को किस level पे enhance कर सकते हो, right? आपको भी सेम प्रोजेक्ट दिया जाएगा, सेम आपकी डिग्री स्टूडेंट या डिप्लोमा स्टूडेंट को सेम प्रोजेक्ट दिया जाएगा, बट आप किस तरह से क्रिएटिव बनाते हो, इनहांस करते हो और उस चीज को कैसे अपग्रेड करते हो, राइट? सो व्हाट दैट इज ऑल व्हाट मैटर्स. सो कैन वी मूव फर्दर नाउ इफ एनीवन डोंट हैव एनी क्वेरीज? Okay, so yeah, over to you, Manisha.
Hello everyone, hope you all are doing well, staying home, staying safe. This is Manisha Agrawal. I am currently enrolled for Masters in Fashion Designing as well as Super Specialization in Fashion Designing from INIB Raipur. Talking about my achievements, I have showcased my talent in New York Fashion Week as a team and in INIB Launchpad during Lakme Fashion Week individually. Back to prizes in Miraaki, which is our annual fest from INIB Raipur. Apart from the curriculum, I have also established my own design house, that is Nisha Agrawal. You can connect me with me on Instagram. I would like to tell that none of these achievements were possible without taking any INFD. Means we are having extremely supportive faculties and directors who help us in each and every step
Manisha?
to achieve our goals.
I'm sorry, I would like to interrupt. आपकी voice थोड़ी
Yes, ma'am.
आपकी voice थोड़ी सी clear नहीं आ रही है.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah.
Is it clear now, ma'am? Hello?
Echo. It's actually echoing. आप थोड़ा सा दूर रख के बोलो mic को.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah, now it's clear.
Is it okay?
Yeah.
Thank you, ma'am. Okay, so I'm here basically to share how my biggest dream came true. Like it was always a dream for me to showcase my garment in any national platform. But like a cherry on the top, INFD Raipur provided me an opportunity to be a part of international platforms like New York Fashion Week. Like such big platforms are not available for every students like in any college. It's exclusively for INFDs, and I must tell you must grab this opportunity. The picture on the right is from the last season of New York Fashion Week when we showcased our garment and the models are wearing garments from different INFDs throughout India and world. Talking about the college experience, like we participated in New York Fashion Week as a team, and the team was named 1819 J Sneakers. We were 19 students in the team, and just 3 months in work admission for and the opportunity backed us, and suddenly an announcement came that we need to submit our illustrations in a week to Joseph Tronka sir. Joseph Tronka sir is the creative fashion director and celebrity stylist at London. I was super excited and super nervous at the same time. But I was super excited and super nervous at the same time. But the selection होगा कि नहीं होगा तो कैसे होगा, like all the things which troubles our mind. But really telling you, we are blessed with the best faculties. They took the things better smooth for us and helped us a long way. Talking about the workflow, like पहले इंटर कॉलेज सिलेक्शन होता है, जैसे कि कॉलेज के अंदर ही सिलेक्शन हुआ, who has the opportunity to work on it, like 19 स्टूडेंट्स हम सिलेक्ट हुए थे एंड सबके अपनी स्ट्रेंथ थी, सबके अपनी वीकनेसेस थी, वो सबको ध्यान में रखते हुए our faculties divided the work, and I was in research team and common construction team. सारे design process हुआ, it's a very long process, we can't discuss it here. Then illustrations were made, all the 19 students made the illustrations, and all the 19 students made the illustrations, and frankly telling you, all the 19 illustrations were rejected by Joseph Tronka sir. We were not. You can feel it how the situation was. We were very sad, but our faculties supported us, motivated us to do it again. We all did the redos, and we again made the illustrations. All the students made approx 3 to 4 illustrations each. These are some illustrations from the collection we sent. And finally, one illustration was loved by Joseph Tronka sir, and this was the one. And after the selection of illustration, garment construction needed to be done. The photos on the right side you are seeing is the fabric sourcing we did for New York Fashion Week. And after the fabric swatch selection, we start constructing. The photo on your right is the construction of the mock fit. The mock fit is basically the test fit and the lower version of the garment. And on the left, you are seeing we are cutting flowers and getting ready to get it done. And the final garment was finally made, and it was packed and sent to New York couriered. We cannot attend New York Fashion Week, but lively, but we can see it live on Fashion TV. and we were just when the show came up, all the work was paid off, and we were super happy. This is a cover from directly New York Fashion Week, a garment. This is a model of the garment. Telling you something about this is all for New York Fashion Week. While telling you more about Lakme Fashion Week, I was also selected for INFD Launchpad during Lakme Fashion Week. These are the two tests that you can see on the left side, which I prepared, and on the right side is the in-process making of the final garment. Like you can see, there is tie and dye, and there is cutting over there. I would like to share that there was a time when tie and dye needed to be done, and we was not having enough big whistle in the college. And Likina ma'am took me home. She provided me with the guidance and all the equipments over there, and we did the tie and dye at our home. And the picture you are seeing, the panelings, the fabric was not available in Raipur. We just had a lot, and all the fabric was imported from Mumbai. So I was just trying to courier it, and like that, many help were done by the faculties. We are having extremely supporting faculties. And finally, this was the design and the illustration which was presented at INFJ Launchpad during Lakme Fashion Week at Kanpur. And this is me showcasing and evaluating about my design to the jury members. Jury members loved the designs, and I got 4150. 45 was the highest of that time. And then thank you so much. At last, but not the least, would like to thank the directors and faculties for letting me share my experiences. And hoping you all to see there in college as my junior.
Manisha, unmute your device.
Yes, ma'am.
So, I guess सबको क्लियरली सुनाई दिया होगा. थोड़ा बहुत डिस्टरबेंस था, बट इन्होंने जो अपने एक्सपीरियंस शेयर किए हैं, आई गेस वो स्क्रीन शेयर से सबको समझ आया होगा what process she has gone through the Lakme Fashion Week, sorry, the New York Fashion Week. Lakme Fashion Week एक अलग चीज है. New York Fashion Week is a international platform जो आपको INFT provide करती है. So she's the one who has experience of New York Fashion Week basically. उनका यहाँ से गारमेंट गया था, बेसिकली गारमेंट की जो सोर्सिंग हुई थी, जो स्टिचिंग थी, जो पूरा गारमेंट रेडी टू फिट एंड जो ट्रायल्स हुई थी, सब कुछ INFD रायपुर पे ही हुआ था. आई गेस किसी को क्वायरीज होगी, डाउट्स होगी, सो दे कैन रेज देयर हैंड्स और कमेंट इन द चैट बॉक्स. किसी को कुछ और समझना है, अच्छे से प्रोसेस जानना है? I guess नहीं है किसी को भी doubts. Moving further, we have one more student, Shivakshi Vaswani. Hi, Shivakshi.
Hello, ma'am. Hello, everybody. I hope you all are doing good. And first of all, you all are safe at your homes. So, as Nikita Agrawal mentioned about Lakme Fashion Week implementations team through of the interior aspect. So, I'm here to tell you about the fashion aspect of Lakme Fashion Week implementation team. So basically, I'm a student, second year student, a degree course student at INFD Raipur. So I would like to share my experiences. So I'll share the screen. I have made a presentation for you all. So this is me. I was selected as a member for Lakme Fashion Week implementation team. So Nikita was selected for summer resort and I was selected for the winter festive. Both happened in 2019. So what is Lakme Fashion Week? It is the biggest fashion event of India, or must say fashion extravaganza, where you can experience from published established designers to the budding designers. And even what Manisha Agrawal told you about the New York Fashion Week, even I was a member. I worked as a team member for 1819 dressmakers. And the most close achievement to my heart was when I was selected as a member of Lakme Fashion Week implementation team. So when I reached Mumbai, so there was a surprise opening show for Manish Malhotra's exclusive brand launch. It's an apparel care brand launch. The name is Love and Care. You all can check it on Google. So based on the interview, I was selected to assist him. So it was my dream as a teen. So INIFD brought me closer to that dream. Manish Malhotra was my idol literally since I was a teen. I was in class 9th, if I remember. So apart from it, I'm a writer, a poet, and I'm a published writer and a content creator. You can check my Instagram. It's Shivakshi Writes. So moving further, so Lakme Fashion Week, as I told you, is a 5-day fashion extravaganza which takes place twice in a year in Mumbai. And the venues are as amazing as St. Regis for Winter Festive and Geo World Garden for Summer Resort. So, and as I mentioned, budding designers and established designers both present their collection. So you can learn from anybody. It's your talent and it's your luck. Likewise I did. So I was selected to here's the picture of me. I was the exclusive show of Manish Malhotra of Lakme Fashion Week. So next, how to reach? I reached by proving my performance, as Nikita mentioned. Prove your performance in my college, and I maintained my attendance. I literally got very much support from my faculties, and I cracked the telephonic interviews. So we were the first batch. So we didn't have any seniors, so we were having full support of faculties. So now if you enroll, you will have our support, senior support to crack the telephonic interviews and various things. So tada, Lakme awaits you after doing all these things. So my experience at Lakme, I must say literally, it was the best 5 days of my life. It was beyond amazing. So his exclusive show, Manish Malhotra's, it was my best experience. I literally, the inside experience I got, how the biggest fashion show works, how the biggest designer of India works. And literally he knew each and everything from seating to everybody. He was so polite. He was, I just can't express how he was. He was literally so sweet to everybody. So, and here's a sneak peek from Lakme Fashion Week. This is me with Shamita Shetty, Daburat Nani, and Mandira Bedi. And these are my favorite couple, Janelia D'Souza, Ritesh Deshmukh, Neeraj Kaba. And it was all over. INFD has brought me literally closer to my dream. So I really hope to see you all as my juniors. We'll have a lot of fun. So if you have any questions, any queries, you can put it in the chat box. I'll be more than happy to answer you all.
Shivakshi, or screen share.
Okay. Okay, telephonic interview. So Dolly Anand asks, can you please tell what was asked during telephonic interview? So basically telephonic interview is to test your communication skills, your personality through your voice only. So you have to be confident, and the questions asked were like, what is Lakme Fashion Week? When does it happen usually? What are the 2 seasons? And some technical questions, who's the parent company who organizes Lakme Fashion Week. So you have to do a bit of research about Lakme, and you can get it all easily, and it's really easy. It's not a science. You can literally do it very easy. Any more questions?
Claire? Do anyone have more queries? I guess no. Okay, so yeah, here we are done with the students achievers meet. Basically, we provided you with a platform where our students experienced and shared their experiences with you from Lakme Fashion Week all the way from Lakme in New York, and you know the launchpad, and yeah, the implementation team. Yeah, so basically ये सारी चीजें थी अभी. And apart from this, I would like to tell you everyone that we are soon starting with the our online classes. Yeah, see, we are also starting with our online sessions in August, most probably, for the new 2020 batch, 2021 batch. So you guys can enroll now and yeah, make your, you know, this year a successful one, because learning should never stop, you know. आई नो ये पेंडेमिक है और अभी बहुत सारे लोग डिसीजन नहीं ले पा रहे हैं आगे क्या करना है और कैसे, और हमको चीजें डिसीजन लेना है, हमको क्या कोर्स परस्यू करना है. बट यू गाइज, आई वुड लाइक टू टेल दैट अगर आप इंटरेस्टेड हो क्रिएटिव फील्ड पे, तो व्हाई शुड वेस्ट योर दिस ईयर, यू नो. आप अपना एक साल क्यों और खराब कर रहे हो, बिकॉज ये पेंडेमिक है, आएगा चले जाएगा, बट ये साल वापस नहीं आएगा, राइट? तो जिन्होंने भी डिसीजन लिया है अभी, आई एम रियली ग्रेटफुल टू देम एंड आई रियली वेलकम विद ऑल माय वार्म हार्ट टू INFD. Those who are willing to take admissions over here, so yeah, for them we are really starting with our online classes, and I really enjoyed introducing you with our seniors, and seniors जितने भी हैं यहाँ पे अभी, I guess you also enjoyed this session and meeting.
Very much, very much.
Yes, ma'am.
I guess एक applause तो होना चाहिए सबके लिए, right? Unmute करके एक बार हम applause दे सकते हैं, right? Okay, come on. Okay, okay. So yeah, thank you so much. Just a second. We have Nia ma'am, do we still have Arun sir over here?
I was raising the hand. I would like to that if you all are thinking that online classes won't work, but I would like to tell you, like February se hai pandemic start, or we are having our online classes regularly, daily. I know construction work couldn't be done, but all the research were done, and our faculties are supporting and conducting the classes. Even extra classes were conducted, extra softwares were learned, and learning was not stopped, and we should go for it. Thank you.
Neha ma'am, is Arun sir over here? Still here? We have our HOD of interior designing, Arun sir. No? Okay. Just a second.
You can invite them again.
Just a second, ma'am. Yeah. Okay, we have our director here, Uttam sir and Abhishek sir. So I would just like, you know, sir, please, can we have your 2 words here for this new aspiring students?
Hello, good evening, everyone.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening, sir.
I hope everyone is doing good and being safe at their home.
Yes, sir.
Great,
Yes, sir.
great. So I think आपने हमारे seniors को सुना जो पिछले 2 साल में लैक्मे फैशन वीक हो, चाहे डिजाइन फेस्टिवल हो, जहाँ पे अपना टैलेंट शोकेस किया है, and they really had a blast. They have had a really good time there, and I hope इनके experiences से आपको पता चला होगा कि क्या-क्या opportunities INFD में मिलती हैं. So I think best of luck आगे के लिए, and whatever decisions आप लोग लेते हैं. So good luck, take care everyone. And thank you all the senior students, all the 4 of you. Great, well done.
Thank you, sir.
So,
Okay, bye-bye, take care.
Okay, so everyone, I hope you all enjoyed. I would like to, मतलब अगर हम आगे कोई और session करते हैं तो I would like your presence everyone here, and yeah, stay safe, stay home, stay healthy, and stay creative. Okay, bye bye everyone.
Bye, ma'am.